got a pretty quiet stretch of weather here over the next couple of days. We do have an increase in cloud cover, though, for this afternoon. And you're already seeing that at a live look with our State and Main Street cam as the sun comes on up. Sun up not until 7:19, I should say. And we will see maybe a few peaks of sunshine, but overall, I think it's going to be more clouds than anything. 17, that's the current temperature here in Rockford. Wind chills are in the low teens. 10 degrees is what it feels like. Winds aren't particularly strong. However, it doesn't take a whole lot of wind to really drop those wind chills. 1 degree above zero is what it feels like there in Galena. 4 degrees above zero in Monroe. 11 degrees there in Freeport. Good morning to you all. Now, the clouds are increasing, especially along and south of I-88. That's where we've got a little bit more of that kind of moisture source for you. But despite the cloud cover, we do remain dry. As we widen out the picture, you can really see where this developing snowstorm is trying to get its act together here. Moisture streaming into and around that system as well. Winter storm warnings are in effect for parts of Oklahoma. Just outside of Oklahoma City, they could see 3 to 5 inches of snow in the western portion of the state. Winter weather advisories in that kind of lavender shading. And this system is heading to the east. In fact, winter storm warnings stretching from the high country of North Carolina all the way into parts of PA and New Jersey this morning. Winter weather advisories there in the lavender shading, and the winter storm watch on the kind of periphery of that. New York City, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C. could see their first significant snowfall in several years. In fact, Philadelphia has not seen an inch or more of snow since 2019, March, in fact, of 2019, and they're set to get quite a bit here, on the order of 1 to 2 feet for northeastern Pennsylvania and southeastern portions of New York State. Now, while they're dealing with snow, we will be dealing with the increased cloud cover from that system. However, that system, which does pass us by to the south, could bring some light snow to places like Champaign-Urbana, as well places like Indianapolis here as we go into Wednesday morning. Notice I've got you here at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if you're doing any traveling in that direction of the Midwest, just be mindful of that. As we go through the day Wednesday into Thursday, though, again, dry conditions, albeit partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies will stick around here for the middle of the work week. 31 for today, mostly cloudy skies, near average. Keep in mind our average highs for today's date, 33, so seasonably cool, we'll call it. Tonight, with those increased clouds, we will not see temperatures as cold as this morning, 22, and of course that acts as a blanket, those clouds, so not quite as chilly. Tomorrow afternoon, middle 30s here, mostly cloudy skies, slightly warmer than average, and it looks like that warming trend is going to continue here as we go through the next 7 days. Notice the 40-degree high there by Friday. Overnight Friday into Saturday, we'll be watching for maybe the potential for a few snow showers or flurries. Let's take a look at that most accurate 10-day forecast. Overall, we've got several big kind of days ahead. We've got the winter solstice on Monday. And guess what? Christmas Eve showing up on our 10-day forecast. The beauty of that 10-day forecast is that we see holidays a little closer out. 31 for that high, at least this far out. So it does look like it will at least feel like Christmas, Evan.